My name is Justice and this is Mr. J Graphics. Today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to, a secret behind this font. A secret behind this font. You know, this is a font that when you use in your project, it makes work very nice and very neat. Okay, so the name of the font is called CINZEL Decorative, and that's what I'm going to teach you, or I want to show you the secret behind this font so that you can also use it in your project. All right, so without much further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so I'm going to create a background 5x5, and okay, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so assuming let's type something like let me type something like glory. Okay, glory. Okay, so when I type something like this, glory, this is not the fonts we are doing. The tutorial is about CINZEL Decorative. So right here, CINZEL Decorative. Now, when you choose this is how it look like. But now we want to make it a stylish way. Okay, so that is the secret. Most designers or most people out there, you might not know this, but on Mr. J Graphics, we're going to teach you. So I want to, this is kind of a raw thing, all right? This is a raw font, but I want to see kind of stylish, on this glory right here. So what I'm going to do is, let me increase the size a little bit so that you can see what I'm talking about. Now I'll go to my character right here, and now it's very simple. Okay, just turn off the caps lock, all the caps, just click it on. You see, once you turn it off, it's on. Okay, so let me see something. All right, so once you turn on this, you just click on the all caps here in the character. This is how the font is going to look like. A very stylish one like that. A very beautiful and a stylish. If you are using this for let's say a church program, and you make this way, whoever you are doing the design, and you get a very catchy background for that, the person that you are doing this for will love it, right? The person will love this, will love it. So let me create another one. Let's say altar. You can also decide not to give, looking at this one, I gave all the styles to the font. This one have a style, the L, the O, the R, and the M. Now I will highlight only the Y and then go click back on the all caps, and you see it come back to the normal Y. But when you turn off the caps, it's going to turn to the stylish Y. Okay, the same thing goes to this L. You can highlight only the L and then turn off all the caps, and the L is going to be like this. You get it? So doing this way, this is also beautiful, right? Now I'm typing altar. Okay, so this is altar. Now this thing doesn't look okay. It doesn't look, some people might see this is okay for them, but me, it doesn't look attractive to me. So what I will do is just turn off the L and use I just use the L, but you know, the L, when you are typing the L, just
Artlist.io.
Okay, so you just turn off the T as well, and then I'm going to turn off the A. Okay, then the R, like this. So this is how it's going to be like altar. Okay, so let me make it something like so I'm going to write something like this, and then let me duplicate this, and then altar of glory. Okay, so I'm going to turn off this one, the stylish should go away, and then I'm going to place the off here like that. So this is the secret behind this font called CINZEL Decorative. So I just make a design right here, altar of glory. I'm not actually I'm not designing, I'm just, you know, telling you the secret behind this or this CINZEL font. And now we just got a title for a program, altar of glory. This is amazing, right? So this is the secret behind CINZEL Decorative. I'm going to leave the link, the font link, in the description so that you can download for yourself. It's very beautiful and very simple for your works. Okay, so assuming if you design something like this for a client, I mean the client will be so much appreciated for this even the font itself, you know, even the font only can tell the client how much he or she will be so much will fall in love with your design right here. So guys, this is going to be the end of this tutorial. I know you've learned something here. Please, if you do, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to the YouTube channel and also click on the like button. You know, once you click on the like button, it helps YouTube to suggest my videos to other people to watch the channel. So let's make this channel grow as you expect, we all expecting it. Now we are family, all right? Whoever joined this, whoever has subscribed, you are now a family. We have one family. So if there is not, if something doesn't go well, you can draw my attention or you can leave a comment and I'm going to react to that right away. Big ups to each and every new subscribers who just joined the family, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye bye. God bless you.